Hey guys, so quick solution for if the Peacock is not working on your Xbox. I was looking for how you can fix this solution, and this is something that I found. So you want to hold Xbox button, restart the console. If that doesn't work, uninstall the app, restart console, reinstall. So I had the same issue, had to uninstall and reinstall the Peacock. And of course you can try to also clear the cache, uninstall, reinstall, but this is something that I found on Reddit, and I was like looking on for so many ways how you can do it. Is that even the contacting support is not that great. They just like tell you to reinstall and clear the cache. If that doesn't work out, then I'm just like, sorry, I always try to like find the ways how to fix. And there is just like some kind of like messy thing with Peacock and Xbox. And if you actually found a way how to fix it, write it down below in the comments and I will even update the video. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.